All right, as cryptocurrency gains adoption, we are seeing decentralized exchanges thrive. Juggernauts like Uniswap, like PancakeSwap, but also newer exchanges like Energiswap that are aiming to offer the user something more. Welcome back, everybody, to Altcoin Daily. My name's Austin. Check the timestamps down below because in today's video, we've partnered with Energi so I can take you through an overview on what makes Energi the blockchain and Energiswap different. Here is Energiswap. At the end of today's video, I'm going to do a walkthrough and we'll swap together some NRG and some Chainlink. We'll go through it together. I'll show you how I do it. Okay, let's start by reviewing what makes Energi, the underlying blockchain, different. Because Energiswap is built on the Energi blockchain, and I think most of you know Energi as a smart contract platform. So like an Ethereum, like a Cardano, you can build dApps on top of it. But really that's just one pillar out of their 4-pillar infrastructure that makes them unique. As they put it, Energi has the most versatile blockchain in existence. It's the only cryptocurrency that combines each of these 4 pillars. So number 1, Energi has Ethereum-compatible smart contracts, meaning that any coin, any project, any dApp on Ethereum that's maybe sick and tired of the congestion, the high fees, the slower transaction time, can easily make the switch, come from Ethereum on to Energi easily, seamlessly. So that's a big differentiator. Number 2, Energi has what's known as a self-funding treasury, meaning that when they were created, they didn't need an ICO, they didn't need a pre-mine, and they had no reliance on VC or external funding. And instead, a certain amount of coins are distributed to the treasury every month, where the community votes on how to allocate those funds to further the progress of Energi. Everything is completely transparent. You can always verify how that treasury is spent by the community. And again, these are just the broad strokes on what makes Energi different. So 1, 2, on to number 3, on-chain governance, providing blockchain security and industry-leading user protection. So it's self-governed by the people. This one's pretty self-explanatory. And also number 4, Energi has a powerful layer 2 masternode network. So the people are in charge. Anyone can run a masternode, and it enables high transaction throughput and scalability, integrating DeFi applications like oracles without requiring external tokens. And by the way, whether you're staking or whether you're running a full masternode, this is how the individual can help support the Energi network and also earn some passive NRG as they do it. They are aiming for mass adoption, so anybody can stake, anybody can run a masternode. Okay, I get it. These 4 pillars are what make Energi different. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Austin, other cryptocurrencies certainly have smart contracts. They certainly have some form of governance or some form of staking rewards for user retention. How is that different? Well, Energi focuses on maintaining the balance of each of the 4 pillars of the Energi cryptocurrency. For example, some blockchains may have excellent smart contracts, but really lack in the self-funding. Or some may really focus on the on-chain governance, but then fall short when it comes to the quality of the masternodes and staking. Energi is aiming to have each of these 4 pillars not swallow each other, but support each other to further the whole. So that is Energi in a nutshell. Give me your thoughts down below in the comment section. Always more detail that we could dig into. But now that we understand the underlying blockchain, let's dig into one of the DeFi products on top of that chain. Energiswap is now live on Energi mainnet. So what is Energiswap? Energiswap is the first of many Energi DeFi products built using a modified version of the Uniswap protocol. Energiswap is a decentralized exchange and crypto swap protocol powered by the Energi blockchain, meaning for you that users can now trade crypto and synthetic assets with the lowest gas fees in the space, backed by the security and stability of the Energi blockchain. So how is Energiswap different from its DEX competitors? Well, like we said, it has significantly lower gas fees. It has unrivaled security thanks to the expertise of the Energi Bureau of Investigation, meaning more security with this DEX. It also has world-class 24/7 support from our community management team and on-chain governance powered by our masternode network. Interesting. And let's just zoom back in real quick to the Energi Bureau of Investigation. because this is a good example of how Energi is prioritizing the security of its users over the competitors. So what is it? Well, basically, if anything fishy happens, if a scam or hack happens, this is a team of security professionals from the real world that'll help you with the security of your swaps in the digital world. And again, bringing it back to the blockchain, it's this 4-pillar system, right? The voting and what people want, the treasury to help fund it, that allows them to do things like this. And these are big differences that do make Energiswap unique. But I would say even a bigger difference in my mind is, unlike Uniswap, unlike the competitors, Energi does offer interoperable cross-chain swaps, meaning it's not just Ethereum-based tokens. It's not just certain blockchain-based tokens. There are Ethereum-based tokens, but you can also swap XRP, you can also swap Bitcoin, Cardano, Solana, many different blockchains with Energiswap. And to me, that's big. Actually, to give you a stat, Energi has right now over 180 different trading pairs, strong liquidity with Energi, and they have more coins being added in the coming weeks. So their own token, acting as liquidity, acting as this trading pair, does give more utility to the Energi token. And Energiswap currently has the highest Energi liquidity of any exchange, any DEX, for the Energi token. Pretty cool. And I guess the last thing I want to show you before we go through the tutorial walkthrough of Energiswap, we'll swap some Energi for some Chainlink, is all the stats. The liquidity, the volume, the top tokens trading are all public, transparent. This information is available right on their website. All right, let's jump into the walkthrough of Energiswap. So we will start right here on the homepage of energi.world, and to access Energiswap, we will click that DeFi tab up top, click Energiswap. Here we are. If you've used Uniswap before, this should look very similar, very familiar to you. This is how you'll sell and buy and swap different tokens. First thing we're going to want to do is connect our wallet. MetaMask, the main option right now, which is great because that is the most popular. And actually, before we connect our wallet to Energiswap, we have to make sure our wallet, our MetaMask wallet, is integrated with the Energi blockchain. If you've used Uniswap or PancakeSwap, this should be a very familiar process to you. As you can see, I'm already on the Energi mainnet, and again, that's opposed to the Ethereum or Binance mainnet. I'm already connected. For you to connect, we're going to go to our account right here, go down to settings, click settings, and then scroll right down to networks, where you will add and edit custom RPC networks. Click the arrow, okay, and then go right down and click Energi mainnet. Now for you, this may not be added yet. You may have to add this network to your wallet. So click add network, and right here, this is where we'll input all the data to add the Energi mainnet to integrate it for the first time. And keep in mind, once you do it the first time, then the Energi mainnet will just then automatically be an option that you can just click in the future. If you are adding this info for the first time, here's how you get a help guide. You're going to go to the main page. You're going to go to additional resources, scroll right down to help desk. Click it. Boom. You will see Energiswap mainnet, how to use Energiswap on mainnet. Yes, this is what we want. Okay. Then obviously you can read all the details you want for yourself. Let's scroll down and you'll go down to 1.1.4.4. Quite a mouthful, but this is what we want. All you essentially have to do is copy and paste this information into your MetaMask wallet. And I mean, pretty self-explanatory. So let me show you. You'll go back to your MetaMask, click your little profile, scroll down to settings, like we did, go right to networks, add network, and boom, this is exactly the info you will put directly into your MetaMask wallet. So put in the network name, Energi mainnet, then your RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, which is NRG, and then block explorer URL as listed on the help page. Pretty simple. Let's keep moving. Let's go back to the Energiswap app/main page. And now that we have our MetaMask set up, let's connect our wallet, connect our MetaMask to Energiswap. Right here, click connect, then hit next and hit connect. Boom, wallet connected. Big step done. Now we are free to use Energiswap and select token and swap any token we want. Like I said, in this video, I want to show you how to swap Energi for Link just as an example. You can see I inputted 25 Energi. Right now, that would give me 2.2 Link. Here are the details, the price impact, etc. Confirm swap. Okay. And then, of course, we have to confirm the gas fee on MetaMask. And transaction submitted. Pending. Now let's wait in real time. It shouldn't take that long because we are on Energi. Boom. And everything can be completely verified on the Block Explorer. And now we have some Chainlink. Give me your thoughts. If you've downloaded this, if you've used it, your experiences. Give me your thoughts on Energiswap down below. And let me know what you think. All right, that's the tutorial/walkthrough. Give me your thoughts down below. If you like Energi, if you want more Energi content, updates, let me know down below. I rely on you, but Energiswap is definitely a DEX to keep on your radar. See you tomorrow.